Hello, have you ever heard of a whoopie pie? A lot of fairs sell whoopie pies. They're really fun little cakes with filling in the middle, kind of like a huge Oreo. Anyway, the reason I'm doing this as two different videos is it's two very different recipes for one thing. If you want to see how the second one comes out, I'll be doing it later on in the week. I don't want to do both of them today. But hit the like, subscribe, share, or notifications button, especially notifications if you want to see the second recipe and how it turned out. One-third of a cup of vegetable shortening. If you don't feel like putting it into a measuring cup, it's 5 1/3 tablespoons. 1 cup of milk, egg, 1 cup of sugar, 1 1/4 tablespoons of vanilla extract. Bring that to the mixer. In a separate bowl, 2 cups of flour, 1 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 5 generous tablespoons of cocoa powder. Just going to give that a quick stir. This is going in with the wet ingredients. Tablespoon, roughly. Into the oven for 10 minutes. I'm doing 1 sheet with parchment paper and the other is no parchment paper. Here they are. Snack. I have 4 more minutes before the last batch is out. So I'm going to make the filling. The filling is 3/4 of a cup of confectionery sugar. I use 1/2 vegetable shortening and 1/2 butter. You can use either one, the right measurement being 3/4 of a cup, which is 12 tablespoons. 3/4 to 1 cup of a marshmallow fluff. And I'm sorry it's so dark in here. I started filming this afternoon and life happened. So I had to stop. So now it's dark. Yes, I use my fingers, and I know a lot of professional chefs that do it even though they won't admit it. Anyway, yikes. So, I'm going to start this off on low. And add 2 teaspoons of vanilla. off one time. Let's see if I can, there, that's the frosting. This is a total of 13 cookies. And you spread your frosting on both sides, do that. Try not to get it all over the cookie.